Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 120 feet wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So let us first visualize this problem. Two poles are standing on the either side of the road, which is 120 feet wide. Let us assume the height of the first pole as BC and the height of the second pole as DE. And let us take a point between the two poles on the road as A. From this point A, the observer is observing the top of the first pole, that is C, with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. And from the same point A, the observer is observing the top of the second pole, that is point E, with an angle of elevation 30 degrees. Now this is the rough diagram for the given situation. So here we are observing two right triangles, that is one of the triangle is ABC, which have angle 60 degrees, and another right triangle is triangle DEA, which have an angle of elevation 30 degrees. Now we need to calculate the height of the poles and also the distance of the point A from the two poles. Let us see how to calculate this one. Let us first draw the rough diagram for the given situation. A road is 120 feet wide is given. On this road, on the either side, the two poles are erected which have equal height. Let us assume their height as h feet. Now we are considering a point on the road as A. From this point A, the observer observing the top of the first pole with an angle of elevation 60 degrees, and from the same point A, the observer observing the top of the second pole with an angle of elevation 30 degrees. Using this information, we need to find the height of the poles and also the distance of point A from the two poles. Let us assume the distance from point A to point B, that is AB equals to x feet. Then the distance between A and D is, that is AD, equals to 120 minus x feet. Now in the picture we have two right triangles. So let us take a right triangle ABC. In this right triangle, the given angle is 60 degrees. For this angle we have the opposite side, that is BC, that we assumed as h feet, and the adjacent side, that is AB, that also we assumed as x meters. So now here let us establish a relationship between the opposite side to adjacent side for the given angle 60 degrees. So let us consider the tan ratio. Tan 60 degrees equals to BC by AB, and substituting their values we get root 3 equals to h by x, and transposing x to the left side we get h equals to x into root 3. Let us take it as equation 1. Now let us take the second right triangle, that is triangle ADE. If we observe this right triangle ADE, in this we have the angle 30 degrees. For this angle, the opposite side is DE, that is h feet we assume, and the adjacent side, that is AD, which is 120 minus x we have. So now again we need to establish the relationship between the opposite side and adjacent side. So we need to consider the tan ratio. So let us take the tan ratio. So tan 30 degrees equals to DE by AD, and substituting their values we get 1 by root 3 equals to h by 120 minus x, and simplifying it we get h equals to 120 minus x by root 3. Let us take it as equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can write x into root 3 equals to 120 minus x by root 3, and simplifying this we get x equals to 30 feet. Now let us substitute this x equals to 30 degrees in equation 1. So we know equation 1 is h equals to x into root 3, and substituting x is equal to 30 we get h is equal to 30 into root 3. and by simplifying it we get the height of the poles is 51.96 feet, and also the distance of point A from the first pole, that is x equals to 30 feet, and the distance of point A from second pole, that is 90 feet.